now spoken exclusively to the state task force about recommendations to the state to tackle this surge. Listen in.
A lot of recommendations and advisories have been given, which government is able to adopt them as well. So the first thing is to go back to the drawing board, as I keep on always saying so. The drawing board essentially involves our corona appropriate behavior, which is the masking and your social distancing and hand washing and sanitization. Plus it also involves your 3 T's. So you test, you isolate and you treat them. And basically you have to trace the contacts behind every person who is tested positive. So that advisory has been basically given as a very, very strong recommendation that behind every one person we need to test and trace at least 30 more contacts. The second thing which task force has said is to stop all so-called super spreader events. So the super spreader events could involve people who would be essentially going on for functions like weddings, parties, socialization. That has to stop, because what was seen in the last 3 or 4 weeks, the number of super spreader events happened across the state, and that has contributed largely to the place where we are currently, where number of people are actually getting positive, and in fact families together are coming positive.
So as far as the study is concerned of the double mutation, has Maharashtra done any study on mutation? Why, till now we have not seen that sort of effort that has been put into study the scientific analysis from health point of view of the mutation in concern. So when does the state plan to do that?
So it's work in progress. First of all, I think we are probably, study may not be the right word to use right now, but I think we need to do more samples so that we understand the disease pattern. That can be done in a study mode as well. Plus, there is a good collaboration which is there with the labs which actually do this genome sequencing, and we should be having more samples for them to be sent across from all districts so that we understand the pattern, because it could be a homegrown strain, as we are talking about UK strain, but it could be a homegrown strain as well.
Well, Disha and Neha join us for a sense of what's happening in Mumbai and in Bengaluru.